Oh boy. That's why you wear your safety belt, boys and girls. If anybody wanted to know what the underside of the Civic looks like, now is actually a good time to kind of, you know, look at everything. As you can tell, we're doing a transmission service as we speak. Alrighty guys, so definitely if you want to, you know, do some recycling or anything like that, definitely check out Bulldog Motors LLC. I will have their address down in the description below. Huge thank you to Warren for letting me come out here and have some fun. I had an absolute blast. All right guys, so keep in mind, SendASteveMerch.com. Somebody is going to win one of these little RC trucks. They are absolutely a blast, and it ends tonight at midnight. So when you see this, hopefully you caught it before the giveaway ends, but October 19th, which is today at midnight, the sale ends. Somebody's going to win one of these. All you have to do is go over and make a purchase. It is still double entries as you see it right now. But don't worry, if you don't get entered in this giveaway, we have another one coming up very, very soon, and you're not going to want to miss it. So definitely don't miss out. The kids love playing with it. I love playing with it. And let's roll for the footage from today.
That flew rocks in my...
Oh yes, I can already tell that today is going to be one hell of a day. Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Senate Steve, and we have the keys to literally a quarry for 24 hours. I am freaking excited about this. Obviously, I'm mind blown. I've been, you know, it's been probably 3 or 4 months in the making, move some equipment around and everything, but this is going to be a blast. I don't even know what we're going to get into today, but we brought obviously the Bruce. It is a little bit windy, so if you do get a bunch of wind noise, guys, I'm going to apologize ahead of time, but I'm going to do my best to make one heck of a video for you guys. So with that being said, guys, let me get the Bruce off the trailer here, and we are going to see what we can get into. Now, we have literally free range. It goes about, I think he said 94 acres. So over here, it goes up over the mountain. You can see obviously on top of the quarry, and then we have just mountains and mountains that we can travel. So without further ado, let me get the Bruce off the truck here and trailer, and I gotta literally ask what I'm allowed to do and what I'm not allowed to do. Now, he did say something about running over cars, which we've been there, done that with the F450, but I mean, we've got to at least run over 2 cars today, right? I see a few cars back here, and I'm okay with it. So let's get the car off, and then we'll talk. I don't know why anybody would say, hey Steve, come to my place and let's destroy some stuff. Like, it's just epic. I love it. I love you guys. All right guys, well, we have 2 vehicles here that we are going to use. We're right now prepping them. Obviously, he's got to pull the batteries out, he's going to pull the fuel cells out. I'm going to obviously help real quick, so it's not just a one-man show. But we have this car and this car. I think the Bruce can go over them sideways. Now, as you guys do know, we did run vehicles over with the F450, you know, front to back, but I've never gone sideways. And I think the Bruce is the truck for the job. So let's get these prepped to get run over and see how it goes. This is just a starter because I really want this bus. I have no idea why or how, but I want to send the Civic through this bus. If it's not today, it will be soon. So stay tuned for that. Plus, we got this huge cliff here. I spoke with him, and I think we can actually come back at another date. I think it's gonna be a few days from now or a few weeks, but we're gonna send something off this cliff for sure, so you guys are not gonna want to miss this. But let me get these things prepped and ready to get run over, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Swing and a miss. Oh, there you go. Now it's a party. lie, guys. I could work at a place like this just to be able to destroy shit every day. Like, I kind of want to do stuff like this. Look at the pure enjoyment. Just to be able to come in here and just yank and destroy, and it don't matter what you do. Car number 2 coming our way. Oh, that'll buff out. That's all right. No, it'll buff out. Oh, that'll buff out. Yeah, it'll be fine. Would you want to sell something like this? No. Alrighty, well, I don't normally put my seatbelt on, but we're gonna do it. Actually, you guys know I don't wear my seatbelt at all, but you gotta have fun. Anybody want to play some basketball? I don't know why my kids left this in here. All right, enough of the chit chat. That's why you wear your safety belt, boys and girls. That was actually more fun than I thought. All right. Stand by. That's a brand new GoPro mount too. Good thing I put my seatbelt on. Oh yeah. That was actually a lot more fun than I thought. I think you jinxed me by saying you wanted to buy it.
That one slid, you pushed the one slid and it...
Yeah, once it hit, it went over like this, and I was like, oh, here we go. If anybody wanted to know what the underside of the Civic looks like, now is actually a good time to kind of, you know, look at everything. As you can tell, we're doing a transmission service as we speak, but that's fine, that'll buff out. Let's get it flipped over. For sale, fresh transmission change. Oh boy. You guys have got to stay tuned for the new video. All right, guys, well, you can definitely see here what actually happened. The tire came up here and you can just see it sliding. The car that was on this side, it just ended up pushing it back, and that's why I wanted to take the wheels off. I thought it would have kept it stationary, but with that car sliding back, it just put everything to a lean, and the video pretty much speaks for itself. So we're gonna give it another shot here. I'm gonna check all the fluids and everything on the Bruce here, make sure he's okay. Like I said before, the side of it took a little bit of a beating, but guys, we built this truck to absolutely tear it up, have fun, and just send it. I mean, this thing is a monster. The fact that it's still rolled back over, and I'm almost positive it would restart. I mean, nothing broke. It was running when it was on its side. Did leak a little trans fluid, but we'll get that cleaned up. That's not a big deal. But I checked the fuel already. The fuel's good. I'm gonna check the oil and make sure we still have some fluid, and let's do round 2. Well, moment of truth. Let's see if she fires back up. What's that?
Was this an EX or was it?
Oh, true SI.
I wasn't.
Yep. Yeah, like you can see the interior and shit. It's all SI. Oh yeah, it always burn a little smoke, so. Yeah. Moment of truth. Let's see if she refires. Oh, battery voltage. Stand by. I don't have the battery terminal tight. So far, so good. Round 2. Up and around. Well, Alrighty guys, well as you can tell, the Bruce did take a little bit of damage. It's nothing major or anything like that. It did bust off the mirror. The sunroof is now 100% shattered. Obviously we got some dents and dings in over here, and I don't know if we're gonna fix this. I mean, at this rate, it's sort of just a mud truck and a truck that you can beat up. So do I really want to go through the headache and hassle to source a door, maybe a fender, a mirror? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Should we fix the Bruce up and actually, you know, make him look 100% presentable, or do we leave him how he is and just sort of run with it? So as you guys do know, it does have a 5.3 in it right now. It doesn't put down too much power. I mean, it has enough power to have fun and do what I was doing today, but we have an engine coming, and I'm going to do an engine swap to it. We're going to make more power, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. That'll be in an upcoming video. We're definitely going to be able to sling some mud with the new engine coming, and I can't wait for that announcement. But the other thing that we have is we got mini spools for the rear, and I think I'm going to put a mini spool in the front. We're not going to plan on doing too much highway driving with this. This is going to be strictly a mud truck and a fun truck to play with, you know, off-road. It won't be streetable, guys. If we want to do something streetable, you guys do know, if you don't know, I have a lifted Corvette that we are going to, you know, make streetable. So this car here, this truck, we might as well take it all out and just take it to the next level. I do also want to get an interior made for it. Obviously we got to take it, I've got to get some kind of roll bar in there. It was a little sketchy to do this today. I wouldn't say I was scared. Obviously at no point was I, you know, terrified or anything. As you see, I went for round 2. But I got to get a roll bar in here. I got to worry about safety now at this point, because, I mean, let's be honest, that was definitely sketchy to say the least. But there you guys have it. I'm kind of in the middle of like a warehouse parking lot. So if you guys see me look away a couple times, it's because I feel like there's people watching me. But if you guys like the content, please give it a thumbs up. Please, you know, drop a comment down below. All that matters. It all adds up. And please subscribe, because we have a lot more awesome content coming, and we have a big giveaway coming. So stay tuned for that. You will see that dropping very, very soon. And I guess that's the end of the video, guys. So take care. Have a great night. And I love you all. I love you guys' support.